Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01715 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL plus editor with the common user call c#call, which I already created. Okay. Now I have created one cluster called marks cluster with one serial number column. Next, I try to create one unique index, okay, on the cluster marks cluster. So create unique index, marks index on cluster marks cluster. So it's throwing error ORA-01715 unique may not be used with the cluster index. So what is the fix is just remove the unique keyword. So this unique index is not suitable for this SQL query for this cluster. So you can remove the keyword unique.